presenting the BMW 2018 X1 sDrive28i. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. Enjoy these notable features: rear-view camera, rear-view monitor and dash, impact sensor alert system, memorized settings includes driver seat, memorized settings number of drivers, 2, phone hands-free, stability control, driver information system and touch-sensitive controls. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.